Good morning, students. Today, I welcome all of you in our lecture of English Special Paper number 1, in short, English S1. The title of this paper is Appreciating Drama. Friends, today I am going to start unit number 1, Theory of Drama. Point number 2, Drama, the performing art form. Performing art is a form of creative activity that is performed in front of an audience, which includes drama, music, and dance. Now, I am going to explain the term performing art. This term performing art first appeared in the English language in the year 1711. Performing arts are basically arts or skills that require a performance in front of an audience. Now, I am going to tell you some examples of performing arts. Drama. The first one example of performing art is drama. There are different types of dramas in English literature. For example, tragedy, comedy, tragicomedy, melodrama, problem play, etc. Second one example of performing art is the music. There are different types of music. For example, jazz music, rock music, classical music, etc. Then the third one example of performing art is dance. There are different types of dances. For example, group dance, solo dance, etc. Then the next one example of performing art is magical shows, which is presented by the magician on the stage. Then the next one example of the performing art is the puppetry. Puppetry is also including the artistic skill by the performer using the small puppets into his hands, and these are also the great example of performing art. Then the next one example of the performing art is also circus art. In the circus, different gymnastics shows also presented by the gymnasticians and other performance. In this way, these are the best examples of performing arts. Now, I would like to explain how drama, the performing art form. Drama is one of the branch of performing arts concerned with acting out stories in front of an audience. It uses dialogues, characters, music, plot, etc. Performing arts refers to forms of art in which artists use their voices, bodies, or inanimate objects to convey artistic expressions. Performing arts includes a range of discipline and which are performed in front of a live audience, live performances before an audience, and which are a form of entertainment. And drama is presented in front of the audience, so drama is called as a performing art form. Then, how the drama is also a performing art. The word drama is also comes from the Greek word uh, do, to do, to do, or the seeing place. In the branch of performing arts concerned with acting out stories in front of an audience. It uses speech, gestures, music, dance, sound, and spectacle. Indeed, anyone or more elements of the other performing arts. In addition to the standard narrative dialogue style of plays, theatre takes such forms as musicals, opera, ballet, illusion, mime, Indian dance, pantomime, etc. Then, why the need of performing arts? Now, I would like to explain in detail the need of performing arts. Performing arts helps the students to building their to build their personality, to develop the creative skills of the students. Performing arts allow students to develop creative passions. It helps the students to improve language and communication skills. Performing arts all about self expression, experiencing alternative options and embracing individuality. With performing arts, students can improve their communication skills. For example, to speak, recite, and sing, not only students learn to express themselves but also learn new language, dialects, and pronunciations. Recitation of poems and singing helps students to focus and creatively bring out their talent. Then, the performing arts helps the students to inculcate moral values among them. Then the next one need of the performing arts to enhance the social values of the society. Then I would like to explain the importance of the performing arts. The performing arts helps to improve the language and communication skills. For example, to speak, to recite, and sing. It provides new opportunities, thinking, and overcoming challenges during this pandemic. Then, one of the importance of the performing art is, for example, according to the some of the researchers have stated that cortisol means the stress creating hormone which comes down when children or the students indulge in activities such as art, music, dance, and drama. And such such of the cortisol, the performing arts participation in various academic activities, students build upon their social, emotional, physical, and even social skills, and building a strong relationship with teachers and students, which reinforces their identity in the society. Then, in this way, in concluding, I would like to say that students can develop the academic skills participating the academic activities. In this way, the drama is the important part of performing arts. Thank you.